Purchasing Ethereum. Buying Ethereum ETH in the US is a straightforward process, with various platforms offering secure transactions. Users can choose from major cryptocurrency exchanges, payment apps, and peer-to-peer marketplaces based on their preferences and convenience. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Coinbase, one of the most popular platforms for buying Ethereum with bank transfers, debit cards, or wire transfers. It offers a user-friendly interface and strong security features. Kraken provides multiple payment options, including ACH transfers and wire deposits. Users can buy Ethereum instantly after completing verification. Binance.us, a US-regulated exchange offering Ethereum purchases using USD. It provides competitive fees and a wide range of crypto trading options. Alternative platforms for buying Ethereum. BitPay allows users to purchase Ethereum using credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. Uphold, a versatile financial platform supporting Ethereum, purchases via linked US bank accounts, offering an easy-to-use interface. Buying Ethereum through payment apps. PayPal enables users to buy and sell Ethereum directly within the PayPal app. It's convenient for those who already use PayPal for online transactions. Cash App allows direct purchases of Ethereum with funds from a linked bank account or Cash App balance. Peer-to-peer, P2P marketplaces. Paxful, a P2P exchange where buyers can purchase Ethereum directly from sellers using various local payment methods. Local Cryptos, another decentralized marketplace offering Ethereum purchases through multiple payment options, including cash deposits and online transfers. Considerations when purchasing Ethereum. Transaction fees. Different platforms charge varying fees for purchases and withdrawals. Comparing costs can help maximize your investment. Security measures. Always use platforms with strong security features such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage options. Regulatory compliance. Choose platforms that comply with US regulations to ensure legal and secure transactions. Buying Ethereum in the US is accessible through multiple platforms, each catering to different needs. Whether you prefer using an exchange, a payment app, or a P2P marketplace, ensuring security and understanding fees will help you make the best decision for your investments.